What's up, everybody? It's Sonoran Desert Grower. Today, we're going to talk about the air conditioner shortage. It is June 15th. I saw this video come up in my notifications, and it's titled Air Conditioner Shortage May Make It Difficult to Fix Your Units. So, this seems like bad news. Let's check it out.
Hotter and hotter. Demand for ACs are higher than ever.
It's understandable, right? Unfortunately, there's a looming.
It is totally understandable. We are in the triple digits, especially in Phoenix, where it's still crazy hot at night.
Air conditioning shortage that can make getting one really tough, especially for big businesses. Team 12's Nyala Charles spoke to an industry expert about what to expect if your air conditioning goes out.
Snakes and Lattes in Tempe is doing its best to keep things cool, but their AC is broken.
We're about to head into a heat wave over the weekend.
Oh my God, that is insane. This poor woman, what do? You can't do anything.
Too, so it's really bad timing.
Usually the board game bar operates on 5 ACs, but recently 2 of them went out,
But we're getting quotes for up to 30 weeks for some of those parts.
making what would usually be an easy repair dreadful.
30 weeks. 30 weeks. There's 52 weeks in the year, so that's almost the whole year.
Turned off the restaurant side of the restaurant that's most affected. For the back of the house team, it is a concern for them because they already work with the hot equipment. So we're actually bringing in more team members so that we can rotate them.
David Veach, the operation manager for Forrest Anderson Plumbing and AC, says a national AC shortage is causing Snakes and Lattes woes.
It's very limited.
His company fixes ACs, but to do that, they need parts that are on back order for weeks or even months. In the deadly Arizona heat,
I am so done with all this supply chain shortages. It's just in every aspect of life, right? It just feels like everything is all messed up. I don't know if this is pandemic related, if this is just like reverberations of the pandemic, or if all this stuff is made in China and they have a zero COVID policy and they're shutting down factories. I don't know what's going on, but this is going to kill people. This is not good.
customers can't always wait that long.
If they don't have anywhere to go, we usually keep a couple of portable AC units here on hand.
Veach says on average, residential customers have to wait 3 to 5 days to get their AC running. For businesses, that wait could be months. Laver decided to spend $27,000 more to replace the ACs at Snakes and Lattes instead of wait until fall for her part replacement. But still, she'll have to wait 2 months.
That's a lot of cash that we weren't planning on spending this time of the year.
Veach says if you're lucky enough to have a working AC right now, scheduled maintenance could ensure it doesn't break during the shortage.
A minor repair now can save you thousands of dollars later.
Nyala Charles, 12 News.
So there you go. Stay on top of your equipment because you are going to be SOL otherwise. Be safe out there, y'all. This is no joke. There is a supply chain shortage with air conditioning equipment. Very sad, very dangerous in the desert with triple digit heat right here coming up, record breaking triple digit heat. So be safe, take care of your equipment. And this is just sad. This is not good. People are going to suffer and some people will not make it because it's just too hot here. Especially, folks that are elderly. But such is the state of affairs in Arizona, I guess. Thank you for watching. I'm going to keep finding videos like this and covering them. And I'm going to try to find news you can use, really good info, and share it with y'all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.